What's going on, everybody? So we have the results for the giveaway. For the last couple weeks, there has been a giveaway going on. If you're part of my Facebook group, then you definitely know about it, or if you're in the Discord group. So this is basically was a giveaway for 3 different 50K evaluation accounts. So you had 3 opportunities to get an entry. You just had to comment on one of the posts that I made, as well as leave your name, your email in the link. So I know some people didn't do that because there was more comments than names signed up with the link. And the biggest reason why I need whoever commented to leave their name on the entry form in the link is because I need to know who to send it to. I have to have a way to send you your code. All right, so like I said, there was 3 opportunities. There was a Facebook post where you can comment and enter your name on the link. Then there was another link, just the generic link for email notifications for Apex sales and exclusive sales. And then the third one was in my Discord group. If you are not in my Discord, make sure you get in the Discord group. That's where we actually talk a lot more about trading strategies and a bunch of great stuff going on there. There was a promotion in the promotions channel, and that did its own drawing. So we're going to go ahead and select our winners here. So as I mentioned, there's 3 opportunities, and the first list, I'm going to bring this over. We had only 21 entries on the first list. So chances are pretty good. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to bring this over, and we have 2 through number 22. Just want to show you there through 2 through 22, excuse me. And we're going to generate a random number and see who our winner is. Number 18. Who do we have at 18? That is going to be Corey Bauman. Okay. I hid the email there. That way the world doesn't have your email. Corey, I will be sending you your code. You're going to sign up like you normally do for an evaluation account, but you're going to enter in the code, the discount code, like you normally enter a code, and the first month is going to be free. All right, so there we go. Now let's bring over list number 2. List number 2 has even less. So very few people listened or read and actually hit the link and submitted their entry. Most people just commented on the post. So here we only have 10 people. Look at that. So we're going to go numbers 2 through 11. Okay. So we're going to go 2 through 11. And let's see who our lucky winner is. Number 3. Who do we have for number 3? Daniel Sumalan. All right, Daniel, same thing. I'm going to email your code. You're just going to sign up like you normally sign up for an evaluation account and enter the code, and your first month is free. So congratulations to the winners. The Discord winner already knows who they are because that drawing was in Discord. I don't need to announce it here because, like I said, it's in Discord. If you're not in Discord, get into the Discord. Links are everywhere on my social media pages. Will be on this video. So that's it. That's our giveaway for now. Stay tuned for another giveaway coming out pretty soon and more sales. So I will always be announcing those. And let's get those things funded and get paid. And as always, trade well, everybody. Take care.